Welcome to this session on modifying spaces. So now that we have a basic layout of the required spaces, we're going to make a few modifications. And I'm going to, up here in my plan, I'm going to start with this space C104. And I'll use my selection tool and I'm just going to select the space. And you can see we get edit handles. And we can basically just move those handles to make adjustments. So I'm going to select this handle here. We're going to pull this in by 2.5 feet or 750 millimeters to create a bit of an open area here at the end of our corridor, a kind of lounge area. Now note if I select my Alt key, it toggles me between moving just the vertex or the entire side, keeping it orthogonal. And then I'm just using AccuDraw going to type in 2.5 feet so that I create that area there. Now notice, unselect this, when I've done that, it changed my actual area because I made that space smaller as I did that. And now I can see my actual area is 315, whereas my goal was the programmed area of 350. Now we're going to do the same thing again, and this time we're going to bring this side down to meet our core wall here. So again, using AccuDraw, I can lock my axis and then snap to that core wall. But even so, I'm still short on area, so I may need to extend the unit a little around this part of the core. And so again, I could take this vertex and move this way 2.5 feet. But now I'm overlapping the core, and I actually need to insert some vertexes to get that wrapped around the core. So I can use my regular modify insert vertex tool. Just going to select that and then snap to the intersection of that wall and then put another one in at that intersection, put another one in at this intersection, and then select it again. Now we can see those handles, and I can take that corner handle and move it up here. And now our space fits nicely around our core. We can see we're at 356 square feet, so pretty close. I think we'll leave it at that. So we're going to do the same with these spaces as well. So we'll kind of just do the same thing. So we now have our spaces adjusted and laid out the way we want. And in the next session, we'll actually take these spaces and start to create our partition walls for this particular floor.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.